South County girls, guess what? We are in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, at Paula Deen's kitchen. There are 4 of us, me, my daughter, and my 2 lovely granddaughters.
And Baxter.
And Baxter.
And Baxter.
And Baxter. And you just missed our waiter, Charlie, who's awesome. He's from Europe, Transylvania. So I love to suck your blood. Anyway, we are starting. Take a look at these cinnamon rolls. I'm talking Paula Deen here, ladies and gentlemen. Paula Deen. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I've got to.
And then can we do a video
I've got
of me
to
doing it?
indulge. You see this, right, ladies and gentlemen? Look at this. Look at this ecstasy. Raisins, cinnamon, glaze. I'm talking heaven here. Can you hear me?
Wait.
Can you hear me, Connie?
Wait.
Umi. Oh my goodness. Words do not describe the cinnamon. Grace.
I need a bite. I need a bite.
You need a bite. Oh yes, please. Oh, come.
Come on, stretch.
Further. Sit up.
Get it. Oh, yeah.
Grace. No, Grace is miserable this morning anyway. We had a good morning until now. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, come to Myrtle Beach, Paula Deen's kitchen. Awesome.
Okay, if you want to see more of our breakfast, comment below. It's going to be delicious. There she is.